Hey everybody, welcome back to the building of WordPress. This will be part three, and today I'm just gonna install a new theme to the SkillNack website and just customize it a little bit more than it currently is. So right now I'm at the Manage WP page that I showed you in the last video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and check for updates. Uh, I usually do this whenever I begin like my day, just so I can make sure all my websites are up to date and the plugins and themes are working. So I'm gonna go update these. And there's a couple of them I need to go into and update manually. I don't really use these websites too much anymore, so it's not really a priority for me. But I'm going to go ahead and log into the WordPress dashboard. Cool. So I don't need this anymore. And I'm going to go and download the elegant theme, uh, the Divi theme, and I'm also going to download a plugin called the Divi Builder. Uh, elegant themes, these are all premium themes, and it's not necessary when you're first building a website, but if you ever want to upgrade your theme, having a premium theme, it definitely gives you an advantage. So whenever you feel ready, I do recommend elegant themes themselves, just because they offer really good plugins. They're really clean, and they have a lot of different uh, themes that you could choose from depending on what kind of website that you want to build. And their signature theme is the Divi theme, and this is going to be the one I'm going to install onto my website. And I'm also going to download the Divi Builder, and this lets me customize my pages and posts a little bit more. All these are really good plugins, especially uh, this handheld. It's really good for mobile, uh, like uh, when people use their phone to visit your website. And yeah, so I definitely recommend Elegant Themes. Uh, for a lifetime subscription, I think I paid 200 and I don't know, like $250, and it gives you full access to all their themes, their plugins, and if they update or come out with anything else, they uh, add that to your subscription, so you don't have to worry about paying. But they also have uh, the yearly, uh, where you can pay yearly to use their theme. So I just signed up for an affiliate link, so when that goes through, I'll add that into the description. So if you click on that link and decide to purchase a package from Elegant Themes, that'll definitely help me out, and I'd appreciate that. So thank you to anyone who does that. But even if you don't click on that, I still recommend using a premium theme somewhere down the line. So now I'm going to go back to the website and I'm going to install these themes. Click add new up here and upload theme, drag and drop. And just as a reference, show what the website currently looks like. This is where we left off at the end of the last video, where we just went into the customize bar and added a logo and just played around to see what the default theme has to offer, and just to show you that you could customize your website if to some degree, even if you don't know any HTML or CSS. And I'm going to activate. So this is our theme now, and I'll just show you comparison of what it looks like. So this is what the website looks like now. Usually when you change themes, if you made any adjustments to the previous theme, usually they don't show up in the new theme that you created. So we're going to have to customize this again, but that won't take too long, and it's actually pretty fun for me personally, playing around and moving things on WordPress to make your website look a little nicer. So yeah, that's the difference. And now I'm going to add the plugin for the Divi builder. And this plugin's specifically for the Divi theme that we just installed. Upload plugin. And because I changed themes, as I mentioned, a lot of the times the changes that you made in the previous theme don't affect the new theme that you created. So I'm going to copy the Google tracking code of the Google Analytics account that we made in the last video. So that way I could track what sort of traffic and visitors and all that important metrics that you need when you create a website. So for this theme, it's actually, they have a spot, so I don't have to go into the editor like we did last time and then find the spot where to put the code. It's a lot simpler just with this theme. So show where to put the code. And generally, you do put the code into the head of your of the theme coding, but right here you could put it into the body. All right, so the tracking code should be installed, and don't need that anymore. And now I'm going to add the logo and the favicon to the website. So you'll see that on the home page where it changes. So show the before. So I'm going to add a logo right here and also update the favicon. All right, save changes. Now it should be, there it is, our logo. And you could add the, if you have a email service, then you could add the coding into here. So when people sign up for your email list, it'll be added to whatever email service that you choose to use. And I'm just going to put in some of my profiles, some of the links to them, and that's going to be added to the menu. So they'll be able to click on that and it'll be taken to whatever my profile is. All right. And I don't think I'm going to change anything on any of these right now. Just checking, looking through them really quick. All right, and now I'm going to go to the theme customizer. And you can see that there's more options in the customization of the theme than in the last video where it only let you change like a few things. I think I had the widget, let you put CSS in there, so that was pretty good. Check this site identity. And I'm gonna change this menu up here. So I'm gonna go to the header and navigation. Click on the primary, and then I'm able to affect the size of the logo. And I think I could change what the menu actually looks like. So centered inline, and I think I actually like the centered inline. So I'm going to click on that. And I changed the font and see if I can make it a little bit bigger. That way you can actually read it. Secondary menu. Usually a secondary menu is for your profile icons. All right. should be able to choose which menu, and I'm going to pick the main menu that we created in the last video. So should be somewhere around here. Change the background color. But see it at the bottom right here. See, to change the footer, kind of widgets. Actually, this is the widgets right here. Oh, here's the menus. That's what I was looking for. So want the main menu to be set as the primary, and I think I need to create a social media menu that I'll set for the secondary, which will show up above. Just check it out. Yeah, so this will be the secondary menu, and I have to create a new menu. For right now, I'm just using the main menu again, just to check and see what it looks like. And then the footer menu, I think it'll show up right here. I don't think, oh, down here, but I'm not gonna have a footer menu at the moment. And also on this theme, you can check what it looks like depending on what sort of device that the visitor is using. So this will be the mobile, if they use their phone. If they have an iPad or some sort of tablet, this is how the page will look. But right now we're just doing desktop. Change the button styles. And here's the widgets. I'm going to check to see if they have any other cool widgets I could add on. Cool. So for this theme, they have an AdSense and advertisement widgets, which if you want to earn a little extra money on your website, you could include these. So when people click on AdSense or an advertisement, you could get paid for all the clicks that people have. But generally, not too sure, but I think you need to have a certain amount of visitors before you're able to qualify. I could be wrong. That's just what I think. Yeah, but anyways, that's cool. They included that for this theme, but I don't think there's any widgets I really want to add. For the footer area, the difference between this theme and the last is they give you 4 different sections, so you could just add more things into the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You could probably download another plugin. Generally, what I'll do for the footer is I'll add like any sort of disclosures, or if I create any sort of legal pages like terms and services, or yeah, anything like that for contracts or anything, I'll include it somewhere in the footer just to make sure that no matter what sort of page that I create or the visitor goes to, they'll always be able to access those important pages. And actually, that's another plugin that I would recommend, is a terms and service plugin where they create page for you with all the important legal information. Just it's good to have if you just to protect your website. So, oh, here's another thing. Down here, they actually include the social profiles. So earlier, I added the Facebook and Twitter links. So hopefully, if I click on these, I'll be taken to the profile of SkillNack. Cool. So here's my Twitter page, and see if it works for the Facebook. Cool. Here it is. And I'll include a link for all the profiles that I've created. Currently, I'm trying to work on the Google Plus and YouTube. I want to adjust the URL, so that's why I didn't include those links in this video. But when I do fix the URLs, I'll probably end up adding these links on all my videos anyways. So that's not really important right now, but that's cool. I didn't see that. Yeah, so people can click on these, visit. I was trying to get the the profile links up here. So, but let me show you that plugin for the terms and services. So just go to the plugins, click on the add new, and it should show up service. All right, see. Yeah, this is the one that I usually use. Has over 90,000 active installs. Again, it's compatible with the WordPress. This this isn't exactly or necessary. It's just recommended if it's compatible. But again, you do want to make sure when you pick a plugin that it has a certain amount of installs and the ratings are there's that people actually rate it, the plugin. So this is a pretty good plugin. It has 5-star rating out of 40 people. So I'll activate this. And where is it? Here it is. So the settings, allow and continue. And then all you got to do, just fill in all this information. And I'm not going to do it at this moment, but it's really simple to fill in. And when you click on Save Changes, it'll create a page or a link that you can add to a page that you can create entitled Terms and Services. And again, that's just a legal document. Just you should have it on your website. Just helps protect you from important legal stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change the home page a little bit because I don't like how it looks currently. So I'm going to click on pages, and this is why we downloaded the Divi builder, because it gives you a little bit more customization. So I'm going to try to get rid of this sidebar and maybe try to get rid of this homepage title, because most websites, they don't have a title saying homepage when you go and visit the website. So I'll go and click on homepage, and see it's the front page. then I'm going to click on use Divi Builder, and then they let you add certain columns, so you could change what the layout of your page looks like. So you can split it into 4 columns or whichever one that you want to choose. Right now I'll just do the solid column. And trying to think, not really sure what I should add. I guess I'll add a header image. So do a full width section actually. And actually, a cool thing you could do on elegant themes is for the Divi builder is you can use the visual builder. So that way you could make adjustments to your page without having to go back and forth and keep previewing your changes. So let's see. This is what it looks like now. It's already a lot better. You can't see the sidebar. Let's see. Should add. I might just add an image. Full width image. I'll click on this. Whoa, it's pretty big. See if I could shrink that down. And yeah, honestly, for the Divi builder, there could be a whole series of videos of the sort of customization you could do in this theme. So I'm not going to go over that right now. And I don't know, I just wanted to change the theme primarily and adjust a few things. So I'm going to go and save this. And yeah, so I think that's going to be it for today. And yeah, so this is a really good theme. It's a premium theme, so you don't have to worry about your website crashing or anything of that sort. And with elegant themes, they also have a customer service help. So if you have any questions, you could go and ask them, and usually they'll respond within a day or two and help out with whatever issue that you're having. So yeah, you don't need a premium theme, but this just shows what can happen when you do change themes. You might have to re-customize it, and yeah, so make sure that everything that you do probably won't be saved from the last theme. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful, and catch you guys in the next video.